Changing your primary email on Noom is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address successfully. Step 1. Open the Noom app. Launch the Noom app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Go to Profile Settings. Navigate to your profile settings by tapping on the menu icon, usually located in the top corner of the app. Look for the option labeled Profile or Account Settings. Step 3. Select Email Preferences. In the Profile Settings, find the section related to your email preferences. This may be labeled as email or contact information. Step 4. Update your email address. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Ezra to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the screen. Tap it to confirm your changes. You may receive a confirmation email to verify the new address. By following these steps, you can easily change your primary email on Noom. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Noom's customer support for assistance.